Multiply 109 by 47 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Put 3 in this column and carry 6. 7 times 0 plus the carried 6 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. The first partial product is 763. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 9 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 0 plus the carried 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. The second partial product is 4,360. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 3 plus 0 is 3. In the tens column, 6 plus 6 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 4 plus the carried 1 is 5. The product of the whole numbers is 5,123. So 109 times 47 is 5,123.